Hey everybody, welcome back to Outdoor Inspirations. I'm Christian and today we're going to show you how to make a backlit art panel. First, we're going to choose our art panel, and I believe we have it in right here.
Yeah, this just came in and it says Fragile on it.
Fragile.
Sure why.
Look at this. Isn't she pretty? So let's take this off. That way we can show you kind of what we chose. So right here we have an organic leaf wood art panel. As you can see, really nice. This is gonna look awesome with our lighting from Haven. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna show you how to mount this. We chose these 3/4 inch slats. And actually, I'm gonna need some more. So Kev, do you mind going out there and get some more?
No problem, I'll go get some more.
All right, now we're gonna move over here so we can show you how to be able to mount these.
All right.
Got the wood, got the wood.
Huh. Hey Christian, watch this. Gentlemen!
Alright, so now we're going to measure this out. So what you see right here is everything that's going to be in the back. We have our slats. This is a 6x3 panel, so yours may be a little bit different, but we want to just make sure that each end, we want it shy just a little bit on the inside so that way it's not hanging out over.
Hey Christian, I threw the piece for you. Did you get it?
Yeah, I did, Kevin, but I needed this one.
Oh, okay, I'll get you that one.
Oh, no, it's okay. I got him. Okay, so yes, we want to make sure that we have the right measurements for each side to be able to make this panel. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. All right, so we're over here at our compound miter saw. This is where we're going to be able to cut each slat. We want to make sure, again, that we're cutting it correctly. So remember I told you each side we're going to go on the inside just about 1/8 of an inch, and then each slat is going to be 3 feet by 6 feet. And Kev, do you mind showing me how to cut this? Because he's still teaching me the ropes.
Yeah, I can do that, no problem.
Okay, awesome. Kevin!
Yeah.
What happened? Are you okay?
Yeah. Call workman's comp.
What the? Where's your arm?
It's
Oh my gosh.
I think.
Kevin, what? I left for 5 minutes.
Where's my arm?
Alright guys, Kevin is fine. He's getting taken care of. We are going to actually come back here and talk about how to properly cut this. We have an 8-foot slat, but we already pre-marked it here so that way we can get 6 feet. Instead of doing the traditional straight up and down cut, we're actually going to set it to a nice 45-degree angle. And the way you do that is you press down here, and we're just going to slide it. This is actually already set to the interval that we need it to be. And that way, whenever it's cut at an angle, it's gonna be able to match up seamlessly on each corner of the art panel. So next up, we are going to take our wood slats that we just cut. Remember, we did it at a 45-degree angle. And the reason why we're doing that is because, again, we wanna make sure that we have a nice tight bond on each corner of the art panel. So what we did here is we went ahead and clamped these down so that way it's secured on a flat surface. We're gonna take this drill over here with Mr. Hank. Thank you, Hank. And we're going to drill a pilot hole into each corner, just like so right here on the corner, making sure each panel again is recessed just a little bit so that way it doesn't show on the other side of the art panel. Once we start our process of drilling in the pilot hole, we're gonna be using a 2-inch wood screw, just like so. And then once that is done, we want to go ahead and proceed on each corner of the art panel and make sure that's ready for mounting. our next step, we have the official mount on the wall for our art panel. What we did is we took these oak wood slats that we have here, so they're a little more sturdy. And first we drilled pilot holes into the wall and took our 2-inch wood screws to make sure we have it securely mounted. After that, we're gonna take our aluminum tracks here. This is really important because this is gonna be able to hold our Haven lighting strips. We'll lay them down on the mount just like this. It's important to also have a pilot hole drilled into the aluminum track, so that way we can take a little screw. And as you can see, the pilot hole is here. We're gonna put this screw inside so that way it can hold down the tracks. So we ended up putting in our aluminum tracks. Now what we're gonna do is the fun part. So we have our awesome Haven lighting strips right here. It's pretty easy to install, so this is why it's the fun part. They have adhesive back, super strong. What's neat about this is that it's color changing, beautiful color hues. It's all app controlled as well, super easy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take this strip, and we've marked kind of where we wanna start over here to stick it in. We did some measuring beforehand. So I'm gonna go ahead and line that up to where we had it. And as you go, you're just going to peel the back and stick it in sections. Now, again, like I said, this is the easy fun part. You're envisioning how it's gonna look afterwards. It's gonna be great. Hey guys, all right, it is time for the big reveal. We have our panel up, our Haven lighting strip that is being showcased right now with a beautiful green. And wait, that looks like you're going through my head. We're excited. We're gonna go ahead and do this. Blake and Kevin are gentlemen and they're doing this for me, although I feel like I can do it. Right now, they're putting up the art panel that is composite. So this is indoor outdoor, guys. You can use it for just about anything. A lot of people, they'll put it as decor on their fence. You can even use it as a filler for privacy if your backyard doesn't have a fence. Sometimes you can put some nice panels around this to keep it on the ground. It just looks really good. Very creative. You don't have to put lights behind it. We just decided to because we're a lighting company and we like to get creative around here. Another neat thing about this is with the Haven lighting strips, it is controlled by app. I'm gonna walk you through that later. You can change the colors, change the patterns if you want to. Just something really neat to have if, let's say, you're having people over, you want to entertain, or just an overall vibe. It's really nice. Here it is, guys, the big reveal, our art panel. All right, guys, so we have the Haven app pulled up right now on our iPhone, but it is compatible with both iPhone and Android. This is the screen that we're going to control the panel's temperature, color, patterns, whatever you have. This one is actually for the temperature. So we have our wider tones at the bottom. So you can select that. As you go up, it gets warmer, as you can see. If you scroll over, that's where we can control our colors. Let's pick this nice ocean color. See, you just change it to whatever mood you're in, whatever occasion. There's so many possibilities with this. Over to the next screen, we have our patterns. So this is really cool because really you can go to just about anything. Let's say we're celebrating the 4th of July. Your rate is how fast you want the colors to change. If you just scroll it up, you can see that we have our nice red, white, and blue flashing. You can change the speed of that as well. We have all different occasions. So yeah, this app is super handy and easy to use and navigate. We're super pleased with Haven Lighting. You guys are awesome. Now we can't wait to have fun. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I know we had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. If you like this type of content, make sure to let us know in the comments below. Also share it with your friends and family. And if you want to know when we have more videos like this coming up, hit subscribe. Thanks guys.
Oh, sorry about that, Christian. I think I need to cut something else.
Okay.
On the saw.
Yeah, wait, no, Kevin, don't do that. Ah!